Welcome back to the grand finals of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Titchfield High on 20 points, Monroe College on 15 points. You'll notice each team picked up a point. During the break, the judges decided to accept their answers to the Spanish questions. The Spanish expression, ¿Cuál computadora te gusta más? Titchfield said, which computer do you like more? And the answer, best, I have. The judges have decided to accept that. And the Spanish expression, yo lo busqué pero no lo encontré. They said, I looked for him but did not find it and him can be interchangeable in Spanish. So, we are at 20 to 15 as we head into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. And the first question is from Bible Knowledge. Which of the Gospels records Mary's finding Jesus' tomb empty? St. John, Biology. Which type of cell is responsible for forming connective tissue by synthesizing matrix material such as collagen and other? Monroe College.
Chondrocytes.
Fibroblasts. English language, spell diphthong. Monroe College.
D-I-P-H-T-H-O-N-G.
Very good. Local affairs, a visual clue. Teams, look at the following clip and give the first and last name of this person. Titchfield High.
Wilburton Reynolds.
Managing Director of the Development Bank. Correct. Chemistry. Which chemical element has the highest first ionization energy?
Next one.
Helium. Music and audio clue. Teams, listen to the following clip and give the stage name of this singer. Titchfield.
Eddie Fitzroy.
That's correct. General knowledge. Which 2 Middle Eastern countries are connected by the Khyber Pass? Monroe College.
Afghanistan.
That's correct. Spanish. Translate to English. Hace 3 años que no te he visto. It has been 3 years that I have not seen you. Geography. The Rio Minho is Jamaica's longest river. What is the approximate length of the Rio Minho to the nearest 10 kilometers? 90 kilometers. Theatre and cinema, a visual clue. Teams, look at the following clip and give the first and last name of this local actor. Monroe College.
Alwyn Scott.
Very good. Information technology. In network communications, there is usually a finite time delay between inputting a signal at one end and receiving, decoding, and responding to the signal at the receiving end. What is this time delay called? Latency. History. In September 14, 1974, which African statesman visited Jamaica? President Julius Nyerere of Tanzania. Mathematics. The sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 75. What is the smallest? Monroe College.
Smallest? So 2, 5, so
23.
Correct. Physics. If an object has a mass of 3 kilograms to the nearest whole number, how much would it weigh on the moon?
Next.
5 newtons. Sport or visual clue. Teams, look at the monitor and give the first and last name of this former Jamaican Olympian.
Next.
Vilma Charlton, Jamaican heritage. Which popular flowering plant used in folk medicine is known locally as Ramgoat Moses, Brown Man's Fancy, and Old Maid? Periwinkle, French. What is the specific name in English for the animal that's called la baleine in French? Monroe College.
Whale.
Very good. Literature. Which North American state forms the setting for Harper Lee's novel To Kill a Mocking? Titchfield High.
Next.
Alabama.
That's right. Art. What art movement was developed in the early 18th century as a reaction to the grandeur, symmetry, and strict regulations of the Baroque movement? Monroe College.
Rococo.
That's right. Bible knowledge. Name 2 of the 4 books of the Old Testament that chronicles the life of King David. Monroe College.
So this is
First Samuel and First Chronicles.
Correct. Good. To Samuel. Biology, what is the name of the rings of waxy material? Titchfield High.
Next.
Singster.
Sorry?
Singster.
Kasperi. Okay. And that bell signifies the end of the match. Please stay in your seats. All right. That is the end of the final challenge and indeed the end of the match. Scores are Titchfield High on 24 points, Monroe College on 27 points. Our 2017 champions are Monroe College. Our runner-up is Titchfield High. Well played, Monroe College. And very well tried, Titchfield High. We invite the captains to shake hands now in keeping with the school's challenge quiz tradition. Captains. Your final scores after a very well-played match. Titchfield High ending on 24 points. Monroe College on 27 points. Titchfield High is coached by Chase Roberts and Alpha Sparks, while Monroe College is coached by Coyote Drake and Nikisha Walters-Clacken. Thank you, coaches. And we now invite Claire Grant, General Manager of Television Services, to present the TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz 2017 trophy to Monroe College. Congratulations again to our finalists and our eventual champions, Monroe College. On behalf of my season co-hosts, Yvonne Chin-Irving and Marlene Stevenson-Daly, Neville, Simone, and the entire production team, I'm Jean-Paul Menu wishing you pleasant viewing.